Insky Air Fryer Oven, 10.6 QT 1500W electric air fryer with LED digital touchscreen 10-in-1 countertop oven with dehydrator and rotisserie, 6 accessories and 32 recipes and 2 years warranty. Oil-free and delicious, compared with cooking in hot oil. 273.9 K 100 grams in fried chicken, 107 K 100 grams in chips. Insky Air Fryer adopts new technology of cooking food by 360 degrees hot air circulation, which can offer you crunchy food with little or no oil, promising you healthy food as well as delicious taste. All in one machine, Insky AF001 is not only an air fryer, but also a rotisserie, dehydrator, pizza grill and oven toaster. With wide temperature range from 180 to 400, this air cooker allows you to fry, bake, grill, roast, and dehydrate. 10.6 QT, inner size 10.9 liters 9.06 watt 6.97H. Extra large capacity with 2 rack levels allows you to prepare family-sized quantities as well as saving the space. Easy to operate and safety, touch the icon instead of keeping circling to choose cooking mode, quick and easy. 10 presets allow you to air fry extra crispy chicken wings, air fry rotisserie for savory pork roast, mouth-watering turkey breast, or authentic kebabs without any difficulty, no matter how novice you are. Automatic shut-off will prevent overcooking and overheating. Passed the FDA certification, a really safe countertop convection oven that you can trust. Expanding cooking options come with 6 extra accessories, 2 mesh racks, 6 skewers, 1 rotisserie basket, 1 drip tray that catches fat and oil, 1 rotisserie shaft to jab into the chicken or roast and 1 removal tool. This air fryer can create more possibilities, which means you're able to cook more types delicious with the included recipe. Set you free from chores, cooking is fast and free from splattering oil vapor all over your kitchen countertop. Made of non-stick material, all removable parts go into the dishwasher and can be dried by hot air after cleaning, which, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
When considering an air fryer as highly rated as ours, there's only one choice left to make: red, white, or black. Under every coat of paint is the same beautifully designed device, guaranteeing easy meals from start to finish, no matter what color you pick. It even gives helpful hints along the way. Need inspiration? Our chefs created 100 ideas for you and rigorously tested each one to ensure delicious results. Missing summer cookouts? Every entree needs a side. And to top it all off, get recipes of your own. Join the growing COSORI community on Facebook to share and find new food to try. So what are you waiting for? Find out for yourself. Revolutionize your kitchen.
Introducing the newest evolution in rapid air technology, the GoWise USA 12.7 quart air fryer oven with rotisserie. It has a sleek design perfect for any kitchen. Easy to use digital display with 15 pre-programmed cooking presets, manual temperature and time controls, internal cooking light, and rotisserie function. Upgrade your weekly dinner menu. The GoWise USA air fryer oven has a 12.7 quart cooking space and comes in 3 different colors. Also included is a 15 recipe cookbook to help you get started, and everything you see here Order your GoWise USA 12.7 quart air fryer oven today.
Meet the Ninja Air Fryer, a fast and easy way to cook your favorite foods. It ensures even circulation of hot air around your food for quick, crispy, and golden finishes every time. The secret is the combination of a wide temperature range while powering the fan that automatically adjusts speeds for your temperature setting. This allows you to cook and crisp your favorite foods, like 2 pounds of French fries using little to no oil in a family-sized 4-quart ceramic-coated basket. The wide temperature range gives you the ability to roast, bake, air fry, reheat, or dehydrate foods, making it your new go-to appliance for any meal or snack. With a Ninja air fryer on your countertop, you can pull crispy meals out of thin air.